Lugbati man eh, oh. It's a vegetable in Philippines. Gulay man yan. Lugbati man yan, guys. Hi, good morning. Ay, it's not adjusting, eh. Good morning, plants. Frank is doing the drying. While waiting for Francine. I need to finish Francine's hair. Okay, come on. Ay, ang kalat dito, guys. Kailangan kong ano. Yeah. So, pasensya na sa mga dumi-dumi dyan. Color the orange first. Finish your bread. You have to follow what it says here. Slowly, ma. Eat your bread, no?
No. I bet.
Eat the bread first. Ano nyo ang ginagawa ni Francine, guys? Mga itong buhok ko. Ano siya? Nagdo-draw. Ay, go back where you are. You have to go now. Go, bring it. Lately, ang ginagawa niya, color lang. Walang iPad lately. So, that's good job. Show them what you made last night. Nag-drawing. Ano niya ang gawa niya?
Pink.
Pink? We could want to color it with pink. But it says orange there, na? Come on. Pao, ano ko na? Natulog pa si Ila. Tutulog pa.
Eat there and drink water.
Yeah, you drink water also there, okay? Sige, na-close niya yung bag niya. Okay. Uy! No, you don't need to bring that.
No, Francine, it's not allowed. You
It's
cannot
not allowed, yeah. Hello, guys. And then, sinasanay ko pa din kaugalingon ako sa camera. So, gagawin ko na yung ano, guys, yung pumpkin, yung butternut na squash or ano, basta kalabasa ba sa atin. Hindi ko alam, madami parang kinds ng kalabasa. Tapos, gagawin ko siya dito. Nabili ko to siya, buntis ko nga at chika na naman ako. Basta, tatry ko siya for the first time. Ito, kasi sabi dito, oh, steam and blend with the flip of a jar. So, very ano na, very easy ba. So, gawin natin siya, guys. Siya nga pala, natapos ng aming labas, guys. So, wala na kami plastic. So, maka-open na kami ng window. Which is good. So, tatapusin ko siya. Ano? Hindi ako makaano. Lagi ako nakatingin sa ano, eh. Sa ano ba yan? Sa dyan ba? Dapat sa lens. So, diba? Practice. So, today, I think, pupunta na talaga kami na IKEA, pero antayin namin si Francine. So, maglalaba muna ako and so on. So, ayan. Okay? Gagawin ko muna. I'm speechless on this camera. Oy, I don't know where to look. I'm still getting used to it. Yeah, I'm looking in the lens so that I cannot get one. It's actually good when the lighting is on. In the kitchen talaga is maganda yung lighting. Very natural lighting. Oh.
And all your viewers are exactly there.
Yeah, I should look here. See? Say, Mami Rose.
Hi, Mama Rose.
Now, number 1 viewer. Mami Rose. Tingnan nyo, guys. Meron siyang pabuklit. Dito ko kayo nilagay sa ano, eh, on top of the microwave. Ayan. Meron siyang booklet, recipe booklet. Yung app pala, hindi ko ginamit na binigay ng doktor kasi very very maglibog akong auto kasi ano, Deutsch. See? Zucchini, potato, mga ano, mix lang. Ayan, may booklet tayo. May booklet. Okay, nagpo-focus ko sa booklet. Ay, focus siya. Tapos yung guide niya. Guide. First time ko itong gamitin ba? And I think it will be my best friend until Francis will start eating rice. Ay, kailangan ko pala ito siyang higasan.
Can you look after
Yes, an
Francis?
apple boss.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can make also apple boss on this. Meron siyang paano, ganyan.
And here is carrot with potato puree.
Puree.
Okay.
I think this very useful talaga to ba? I think very useful talaga to guys kasi parang easy na lang ang ating buhay-buhay ba. Ayan, tapos yung ano niya, yung ano yan?
Meat pure.
Ano siya?
Lamb with potato and
Kain pa
squash.
sana ako eh, pero
Yes,
si
with squash.
Francis wala pang kain
Do
kasi.
you?
Das ist eine Toyota Celica Zahnschnittkraft und Expertise. Ihr Hauptinteresse gilt bestimmten Fahrzeugtypen, die von den 60ern bis in die
Look at that. That girl, she's interested in cars and old-timers.
Okay.
Old cars.
Again.
It's going nuts again with that bloody.
Stop. Thanks, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Not funny.
You're really bored, huh? You can be really doing some pictures.
No, I'm not bored. I'm just doing five pictures. Because I'm making a TikTok.
I've seen Wood in Cody upstairs. Yeah.
Again, guys. I'm back in TikTok after a million years.
It's good, huh?
What?
It's good.
I actually love two of that. The other one is fuck noted. I wanna do this in a Help me on this.
Not now.
Look. That's the behind the scene, eh? You're gonna throw all on me. That's the behind the scene.
I saw a full one.
The one that did this way. That's the one. We did behind the scene and the... the window. That's behind? That's Smith, huh? Still Smith.
That's what it's good, yeah.
Yeah. Look, here's the TikTok too.
Oh, look at that pink Christmas. I don't want. We stick on red eye and silver. It's hard to change everything.
No, that's silver.
Yeah, it's silver here. Ah, look at that.
We can do that in front of our door.
What's that?
Apartment door. Put that.
What's that, baby? That glass?
That's for you put something underneath.
That is the
For
bigger, the
for
bigger.
For a plate or something like that.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Can we put that in the middle?
it's the same.
Wait, no, it's like
It's like a plate. You put that there.
where the vase ba?
Yeah, for the vase.
Can I get this?
Get it. Which one
It's
you
too
want?
small, na? This one I
Yeah,
like.
get that one.
Ano, igalo eh. No, it's too small. Would be nice if it's bigger. silver since we are here. This is our motif at home. I look at that. €9.95 and I got that in €1 in Kuan. Teddy bear. Okay. Oh, vases here. We should find that one for the peace lily. That plastic? No. Yeah, that's it. It's Pachira. I knew it. That's what she said. We should have this. But we get that in IKEA. Okay? Ah, look at that baby. It's so big. Oh. Hello. See that?
Yeah.
Different. That's what you want? Is that what we have? Do they have the one for pot, the brown one, Baba? Like this, baby, ba? Just this.
Yeah, they have. Yeah.
Ah, the Monstera is there. Kita ko ng Monstera. How much? 10 euros. That's it. It's 10 euros.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have it like this also.
It looks much healthier.
But how can we, you know what I mean? How can we bring that if we go
It's
to...
the same as in IKEA.
No, but we are still going in IKEA. Hala, alubati man oh. It's a vegetable in Philippines. Gulay man yan. Alubati man yan, guys. We can have that and pick every day for my food.
Can you eat that?
Yeah. It's alubati in Philippines. We have actually big ones here. This is... Hala, we have this in Philippines, baby. Hala. It's San Francisco. Yeah, we have this in Philippines. Hala. I want that.
You want that?
Yeah, but there's no small one. Maybe you can find a small one because they grow. Jesus Christ.
They probably don't last if you get a small one. That's why they have the big ones. They're more stable.
That's what we have. Yeah, if was taken care. Ito yung dito. May ganyan na kami sa bahay. What else is here? It's just flower. No?
Yeah.
It's really alugbati ba? Alugbati talaga to ba? Hello guys, nakauwi na kami. Madilim ba? Parang madilim, no? Uy. Ayan. Nakauwi na kami guys. Mobile pala yung ginagamit ko ngayon kasi andun yung camera and I think hindi ko na alam kung paano ko to ipang compile kung anong date and so on. Ah, by the way guys, nabili ko na guys yung may Monstera plant na tayo. Ayan. Ano siya, sa IKEA ko siya nabili kasi yung pinuntahan namin na plant shop, sirado na siya nung lumabas kami sa IKEA kasi kailangan namin pumasok sa IKEA kasi bumili ako ng malm, 2 para sa closet ni Francis. Para yung closet niya na nasa kwarto namin, yun yung gagamitin ko para extra closet ko. At yung isa para sa anak ni Frank. Then, bumili ako nito guys, organizer siya ng mga damit na para sa malm. Ito yung ginagamit ko din kang Francine. Very organized siya. I like this one kasi mo talaga ba, nasi-separate mo kasi maliliit yung mga damit ni Francine at Francis. Tsaka kaya kailangan namin to. Bumili ako ng 4 kasi 4 drawers lang naman yung kinuha naman namin. And then, yun, nagmamadali kami kasi hindi nadala ni Frank yung dede ni Francis. And then, kakain muna kami. Kumakain na actually yung mga bata. Ayan, nag-order lang kami ng Nag-take away kami ng KFC. So, meron na tayong Monstera plant. Sis, yung ano pala, Sisi yung kausap ko sa Facebook about sa Pachera plant. Yun yung Pachera plant, sis, no. Nakita ko siya dun sa, yung plant na ano mo, sis ba? Yung sa planting, yung sa flower shop na pinuntahan namin naman. Dami talaga niyang plants. Nandun yung Pachera plant, pero sirado na nung umuwi kami. So, babalik kami ni Frank doon, maybe, I don't know. Babalik kami doon one day para bumili ng yung San Francisco. Nakita niyo San Francisco yun, no? Yung sa Philippines ba, marami yung kulay-kulay. San Francisco at saka yung Pachera plant. Babalikan namin doon. Kasi nagmamadali kami. So, ayun. Yeah? The San Francisco, you know na? There's San Francisco and Alugbati there.
Yeah.
There's Francine there.
Are you finished eating?
Did you
So
finish?
you're going to go to sleep now?
You didn't.
Finish eating first.
Why am I here?
Francine, you have to wait until you're finished eating.
Kumakain sila guys doon. Nag-order kami ng hot wings, 2 bucket at yung hindi maanghang ba, yun yung sa kanila kinakain nila, nandun sila sa table.
That's it. You put that in the bin.
Yeah. First, you're gonna eat first your food. Finish it. Hoy, finish your food. Kakain na din ako. Kain muna ako guys.